Good afternoon. This is Neville Easy coming to you from the Club Cash neighborhood. Today is another payday. The owners paid me yesterday. Just sharing you a little proof. See my name right there. This weekend, Saturday, 20th, another payday. So I'm just letting people know this owner loves paying. I'm gonna say that. That's one of my headlines. This owner loves paying, but you have to want it. You have to work for it. This is not for the lazy person. This is for somebody that really want to take action. But we help you. Our team helps you get leads. We have the tools. We have pages. We have funnels. We help you. We want to make sure everybody gets paid here. So I'm showing my proof. I'm going to open this today just to give you just more and more proof that Club Cash is paying us daily, and then it turns to weekly. But like I said, you see emails daily, so that means that's going to convert Friday or Saturday, weekly. You pay yourself, first class or priority. As simple as that. So here's me opening my envelope just to show you proof. This is real, folks. And I get different denominations each week. So you see here, this is my name right there in the envelope. And I got cash. 20, 40, 60, 80. $80 in cash. Next week it will be bigger. Week after that, I already made 4 figures here. I'm going to 5. And it's nonstop. I got traffic running on automation while I'm talking to you, filming this video. You can do the same. It's up to you. Get with me on Facebook, Neville Easley. Contact me by email. You'll have my email in the YouTube description when I upload this video, or contact me directly by phone. My phone number is going to be in the email. I have a Google number. Contact me either way. Facebook, let's get busy. More cash. See you at the top.